Michael Vandegrift, MCV Realty Group.
You guys now in another episode of Military Minute. We have a very distinguished guest with us today. We're going to...
Our mission is to be the real estate company of choice, to always utilize resources and technology to provide the best service to all of our clients, to be able to provide the options to best fit each client's needs, to treat every client like family and guide them to a destination. Our vision, to be your real estate agent and advisor for life, to help guide you through each chapter of your life, honestly, ethically, and when you're ready.
Hello, everyone. Michael Vandegrift, MCV Realty, coming to you today with the 3Rivers Market Report for March 5th, 2025. Up arrows definitely beat down arrows. We're seeing active available inventory was up 2% week over week, up 40% year over year. New listings came in up 18% week over week, up 5% year over year. Solds came in up 52% week over week, up 7% year over year. Pendings were the only down we're seeing. They were down 13% week over week, down 24% year over year. Median sale price we saw for second time this year down versus last year. We came in at 236,000 median sale price for the last 7 days, and versus the 250,000 it was last year, we're showing about 5.6% depreciation. Might be just a blip in the numbers, but we might the start of the downturn. Eventually everything that goes up must go down. We know that eventually we're going to see a slowdown in the market, which we're actually going to see next in days on market. We slowed back up again after we sped up last week. But let me get to the median sale price for the year over year was still at 249,900, still showing 6.3% appreciation over the last 12 months. So we still are showing appreciation and growth in home value. Days on market slowed up a little bit from last week. Not as far back as the week before that, but a little bit slower. 38 average, 22 median. And we believe that was the bad weather. It's been cold, rainy, crappy. Nobody wants to go out if they don't have to. And we think that does affect the housing market somewhat. But it's still faster than last year when it was 52 average, 24 median. Last 12 months, we're seeing 4,419 homes sold. So we're still showing up from last year, about 4.2% up from last year. Still showing we need about 2,209.5 active available listings. For the amount of buyer demand we're showing, about 4.3 buyers per listing, about 2 months inventory. Still looking like an extreme seller's market. Not as extreme as it has been back in 2022, but we're still in a heavy seller's market. So feel free to reach out to us. We can help you with anything. We'll help you put together a game plan. Everyone make it a great day. Grace and peace.